this is part 3 of how to make yourself comfortable when you have a cold and you are feeling very uncomfortable. Is if the air is feeling a little dry, you might want to use your dehumidifier. And if you have like ibis oil, or I have here eucalyptus oil, and I'm going to put frankincense as well in it. That way it will help me, you know, like just breathe better. And this is my diffuser. It's a doTERRA one, a doTERRA diffuser, because I don't know, I be extra like that. So you want to put this on it. There is a maximum limit, so I put it up to about there. And then this is my eucalyptus oil, and I'm going to put it in here like about 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to put 4 drops in this water as well. 2, 4, and then I'm going to put this in my, so it immediately kind of starts emptying this and filling the bottom part of. This is pure eucalyptus oil. Like I said, I like doTERRA oils because they're pure oils. And I don't know where I put the lid for this, but let's go find it. Ooh. This is just my living room, and put this here. I found the lid. This is the lid. Now I'm gonna switch this thing on. And yeah, I am a little obsessed, so I do have a few of these oils just to help me breathe. And I'm looking for my frankincense one. There you go, frankincense. Now this is quite expensive, so I'm only gonna put like 1 drop of the frankincense oil. Oh, 2. Oh, I made it 3. And that'll help boost my immune system as I breathe it in, and it will make the air a little bit more moist. And yeah, well, good luck. I hope you recover from your cold.